Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make corned beef cabbage stew. This is very easy to make and it turned out so delicious. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Let's get started. So I started by preheating my oil and I added in cooked chicken. You can use meat instead of the chicken or sausage as well. So I fried this until it was fried and then I took it out from the oil. So if you're using meat, make sure you cook your meat, add it to a hot oil, fry it until it is ready and remove it out from the oil. If you are using sausage, chop it and then add it to your oil, let it fry, remove it and go and move to the next step. So after my chicken was ready that I took it out from the oil, I added in the same oil, I added in chopped onion, chili powder. I let this steam for about 2 to 3 minutes and then I added in the tomato puree. So once the tomato puree is added, I stir this and then I left it to cook for about 7 to 10 minutes. Make sure you stir it from time to time. You do not want it to get a burn at the bottom of the pot, so please make sure you stir it from time to time until the liquid in the tomatoes has evaporated. After, or when it's almost halfway cooked, I added in my fried chicken. You know, the chicken is hard, so I wanted to like absorb the flavor of the stew. That's why I added it to it when it's halfway cooked. I added in shrimp powder, chicken seasoning and curry as well. I'll stir this and let it cook for 2 minutes before going in with my corned beef. Once the corned beef is added, I'll stir this again and then I'll add in my beaten eggs. So this is basically making your own your normal tomato stew, just that at the end I added in cabbage and vegetables. So after 2 minutes I added in the beaten eggs and then I didn't stir it right ahead. I let it steam cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes before going in with a spoon. You know, I want some crunch or some chunks of eggs. That's why I didn't stir it right ahead. I waited until the eggs was fried on top of the stew before going in with the stew. So once everything is well combined, I'll add in the vegetables, which is carrots, cabbage, and then I'll add in green bell pepper, red bell pepper as well. This stew is a lot, and if you're a cabbage lover, you're definitely going to love this recipe because it turned out so delicious. You can pair this with cooked plantain, cooked yam, or rice as well. This is very easy to make and it turned out so delicious. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out because it's delicious. This goes with everything. It goes with everything, trust me. I prefer eating this kind of stew with yam or plantain, but my husband doesn't really like yam, so he went in for rice. Let me know how you're going to or what you're going to use to pair this amazing stew in the comment section. This is very delicious. Just look at it. It turned out yumicious. Try this and let me know, guys. So once the cabbage is added to it, stir this and let it cook until the cabbage or the veggies are ready. And that's it. Basically that's it, guys. This is easy but it's delicious. Trust me, delicious. The corned beef took it to the next level. It makes it more delicious. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. If you like this recipe, why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, this is amazing. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Stay blessed.